Hey guys, welcome back to XanTech. Right now you find me standing in the corridor of my house, which is why it's a little bit echoey, but right behind me is the door to my office. This is where I do all my work, and I'd like to give you a little tour. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, here we are. There's the office, there's where I get all my work done. I suppose let's start over here. These are my soundproofing panels. This was gifted to me by a friend of mine who's a musician. Over here, this is my girlfriend's station. That's a PC over there. These desks we got from IKEA, actually. Everything that I show you today, I'm going to do a link in the description so you can maybe get them for yourselves. These are my soundproofing panels. As you can see, I didn't do too good a job at sticking them down. They're slowly coming apart. I'll have to rectify that. This is my girlfriend's dual monitor setup. Here she's a huge Star Trek fan, so I got her the Star Trek mat and of course the badge. Yes, very proud of that one. These are our matching Yolio gaming chairs. Very snazzy, very comfortable, and not that expensive. This is my station here. If you can remember, a few weeks back I did a build video for this mid-range PC. It's looking rather cool there. There's my trash panda in there. Oh, and this is from the Addams family. That's Wednesday, and of course my little rubber ducky. This is the microphone I use. Oops. My, what is it, Ulanzi microphone, yeah. And here, see, the soundproofing panels are coming down. Unfortunately, I'll have to fix those. The computer is set to my Diablo. I'm a huge Diablo fan. Here, everything, I'm a big fan of SteelSeries. So I have my SteelSeries headphones there, got the SteelSeries keyboard, got the mouse mat, but a Razer mouse. My SteelSeries mouse died, so SteelSeries, if you're watching, how about sending me a new one, maybe for a review. There's my Lilith candle. Logitech speakers. There's my footstool, got to rest the feet. And this one here, this is the Lenovo Legion. If you remember in a previous video, I was cleaning the fans. That belongs to my girlfriend. That's an old monitor. I'm fixing that for somebody. Hopefully I can get that working. Gotta keep my notes. And that's my view. Surrounded by mountains on all sides in nature. There is what you normally can't see in the videos. There's my tripod, another soundproofing panel, and my lights. Over here, out there is where my little cat likes to take a nap, so I put some blankets there for him. And look, even more mountains. Over here is my old PC. This is like 10 years old, from a company in London called Overclockers. And there we got Deadpool, of course. You've got to have Deadpool. And then this big cupboard here, that's where I keep all of my hardware. There's the Diablo box. There's some stuff from my previous videos, my keyboard, motherboard, and all the hardware, microphone. Okay, that was it. Like I said, for everything here, I will leave a link in the description if anybody wants to make any purchases. And that was it for now. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a brief tour of my little office. This took a little while to set up while I get everything together. So you can see it's not perfect, and I'm sure if Linus Tech Tips was doing another roasting video of people's setups, he'd mention, where is your UPS? I promise that is next on the list. And of course, I'll be making more videos for you guys to watch. If you're curious about the mountains, that's because I recently moved from, well, not recently, just before COVID hit, I moved from London to Austria. So as well as maintaining this channel and making all the videos, I'm learning German, but meine Deutsch is nicht so good. Die deutsche Sprache is nicht so einfach for me. I'm sure Cloudy will have a few comments about that. Hopefully I got the pronunciation okay. And anyway, that was it. I'll see you again in the next one, guys. Take care.